Okay, it is October the 10th, 2018, and I'm back in the Silver Streak. It's a beautiful day outside. It's 85.5, but it's breezy and it's a nice cool breeze. It's 95.7 inside the Silver Streak. So I am going to open up the windows and let some breezes come through here so I can come back in here and do some cleanup. Watch the window. Watch the magic happen. Yay! I really do like these windows. These are really cool. It seemed to allow the air to flow through better. And when it rains, it doesn't come in as bad. In fact, it's already blowing stuff around in here. Isn't that cool? I love this. I'm going to try to see if I can find some upgraded window knobs, because that'll help too. And also, since my AC is not, my generator is not here right now, I'm going to disconnect this, which is simple because it's just a panel, and disconnect the AC for now and open up that window. So here's what we look like right now. I do have plans for that wall, which, if it works out the way I hope it will, it'll be really cool. Don't know if it will or not. I'm going to take the screen door off and finish picking up the rest of this stuff. And then maybe I can do some washing. This is cleaning stuff here. I'll leave it. Of course, I can't quite put the stoves anywhere, so they have to stay there for now until I get the electrician in here to do my electrical. But I just piled some screwdrivers and paper towels and cleaning supplies and paint supplies in this cabinet. Down here I have some paint, and the rest of this stuff will be leaving because it's just really it's stuff for this RV, except the bags. I was using these bags for garbage, for small trash. So I'll get those out of here, and I'll get that fan out of here because it doesn't work anyhow. And I will have to rewash everything that I have previously washed due to dust. But that's okay. I won't have to do the deep, deep scrubbing that I had to do before. Okay, put this thing back. I usually try to put this back in the same spot. That way I always know where it is. And I haven't washed this door yet, but I need to. But guess what? I'm going to take the door off, and it's really easy. Undo these things, and they release this panel on the other side. They release this panel. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, I'm going to open up everything, let it cool out a little bit, come down and work. Back in the Silver Streak again. And what am I going to do now? Make a temporary screen for this window because the screen is missing. It is 92 degrees in here, almost 93 degrees. But once I get the screen put in that window, it will help. I want, my goal for the Silver Streak, or the Twinkie, is to get it finished by Christmas. I would love to be in it by Christmas. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking white duct tape. Doesn't have to be white. I'm just what I have. And just cutting it to the length of the screen cloth. And cut it. Oh, come on. Push that down, lay that right there. It wants to stick to my nails. Well, I wanted it a little thicker than that. Darn it. Okay, don't stick yet. Okay, lay the screen cloth over halfway, press it down, fold it over. I'm doing a really bad job. I was doing an okay job until I started videotaping this. Go figure. But it's just temporary. So anyhow, yeah, that's how it's done. But maybe more like this rather than like this. Oh well, doesn't matter. It's just temporary. So I'm going to finish this and I'm going to tape it up to the window so I can open that window and get a lot more breeze through here. Okay, so there you go. Temporary screen. It's not perfect, but it's just temporary. So I can open the window and get some air coming through here because it is hot today. It's not as hot as it could be, but it's still pretty hot. 91, almost 92. But maybe that'll cool it down just a little bit. I'm just back down here to do more washing. Got the ceilings all washed. I have to, let me see what. Yeah, so I got this part washed in here and all that, those cabinets, all that inside and those cabinets in the bathroom. So my next thing is to wash down these walls and just keep washing. So maybe I'll get this white part first. And I'm washing it down, like I said before, with a solution of water and vinegar. Okay, I got the other oven out of here. Have the walls washed. The ceiling's all washed. This is all washed. I'm going to go ahead and wash the aluminum walls too. And just kind of tidy, clean up. Look at that. Oh yeah. That I took out of the wall over here. Oops. This was the old cable telephone line. So I just went ahead and cut the cords to the old telephone line. And then I pulled the telephone line out of the wall. And it was really easy. It wasn't no big deal. It was all running under here. And attached right here. So I had to cap that one off too. I have to go get some caps. And an electrician. So yeah, we're done with the Twinkie for today. Done a lot of washing. I still have probably another day's worth of washing to do in here. But at least I got a lot done. So, we will see you on the next episode. Here we go. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. And live the life you love. Catch y'all later. Bye-bye.